All right, so we got the Alfa Romeo 4C out with a whole bunch of other cars. We're gonna walk by and check everything out. But over here, again, we are rocking the Evo Corsos with Federal tires, and my latest and greatest, newest modification. I don't know if you can see from here, but my new, I guess you could say Formula One OEM Alfa 4C steering wheel with shift lights, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and more carbon. It's just eye candy, absolutely beautiful. I'll show you how the lights work in a little bit. Maybe in this video, I don't know, I gotta do a POV. Alright, so again, so my Alfa has stock exhaust. I'm thinking that I want to go with the center exhaust from EC, Euro Compulsion. Still thinking about it, we'll see, but I definitely am going to change the exhaust. I love the way it sounds, I just don't like the way it looks. So we're definitely going to change that in the upcoming months. Coming soon. What do you think? What exhaust should I get? Comment below. Then we got my brother's Alfa 4C right over here as well. Rocking the Evo Corso wheels. Very beautiful. Very nice. Woo! We got another Alfa. This is Max's Alfa. The Spider version. Pretty much the convertible. But the Spider version has more carbon fiber here, straight from the factory. It's really pretty, really nice. Oh, I love this red. I forget the name of this red, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Then we got the Ferrari F430. Ooh, one of my favorite Ferraris. Absolutely beautiful. I believe it's a single clutch, and it's aggressive. It's got the paddles, got the flappy paddles. Absolutely beautiful. Love this car. Very clean, very neat. So beautiful, and it sounds amazing. Naturally aspirated as well. Whew. Gorgeous. This is honestly one of my favorite Ferraris. Then over here we got the Quadrifoglio. You don't want to mess with this car. This thing is fast. You got the beautiful shark fins on the side skirts. Got those big calipers. Very nice.
You have the key?
What's up, Max?
Dead.
Oh, I love the Quadrifoglio. If I was going to get a four-door car, it would be the Quadrifoglio, hands down. Next over here, we got the F12s. Woo! These things are nasty. Look how long this hood is. Look at this fender. Just no words. It's just absolutely incredible.
Trunk release.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I mean, what's on? There's this one right here. Wow.
Look at that. I'll tell you how beautiful Ferrari. Ferrari. Absolutely beautiful. Woo! Look at those. Oh my God, those are beautiful. And big. And this one just came in. I believe this is an F12 as well. An older version. I love this thing. I love the tan interior. Absolutely. I have a thing for the tan interior. Absolutely love it. Woo! I love, what I really like is that the steering wheels in the Ferraris, they only have two buttons. They have the engine start, and then they have the race modes on the steering wheel. That's it, nothing else. I love that it's plain and simple. It's like a race car. Absolutely love it. Woo. One day, this will be a dream Ferrari. This is beautiful. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. This thing is beautiful. All right, guys. We're gonna hit the road soon. I'll put the GoPro in the POV position, and we will get some driving shots. Oh, look at this. Also, another thing, really fast. I love the taillights like this. Do you like the 4 taillights, or do you like just the 2? Comment below. What do you think? But this is nice. That is really nice. Let's get a little bit closer. Check that out. Beautiful. On Matteo's F12, he's got the fat exhaust over here. He's got the Formula One brake light, all that carbon fiber on the rear diffuser. This is beautiful. Absolutely great. Great spec. Got another F12 showing up.
How you doing?
Oh, it's Ferrari F430 sounds really good.
He doesn't know it though. How you doing?
Alright, so we just came to a rest stop. We got the Quadrifoglio. We got the Alfa Romeo 4C. We got the F430 looking really good. Another Alfa. And I'm sorry, before I call this an F12, this is a 599 right over here.
Hey, you made it. Good. I made it. I pulled over.
This is a beautiful 599. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we got Matteo's F12. We got another F12, and then there's supposed to be another F12 in white. Another Giulia. Oh, I love this green. Absolutely gorgeous.
I can tell. My little brother, he'll probably
Beautiful.
enjoy it. Hey, you good?
Nice.
I love it.
Yes.
I love those frames.
Woo. This Alfa. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful.
I love your gloves.
That's great.
Your gloves like that.
Yeah, these are the Autodromos. I like them.
It's a 91.
I love the color.
Yeah, the color's nice.
Check out the
Tino.
Tino, I'm sorry.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Tino's my brother.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've never seen
He's
this.
got the silver Alpha. I got the red Alpha. All the
Is
way
it
down
fuel
there.
injected or carbureted?
It's fuel injected.
Fuel injected. Yeah, I know.
We got another Ferrari over there. We got my brother's Alpha. We got another Quadrifoglio, a blue Quadrifoglio down there. That's tuned, insane. Let's take a quick look at it. Whew. These are beautiful. Right over here, we got the Quadrifoglio, and this one over here is tuned, which is this thing is fast, bro. You don't want to mess with this. And really nice. Changed the rotors. He painted the calipers in the Italian colors. Very nice touch. Absolutely love it. Great job. Oh, look at this. I just noticed this. On the mirrors, he's got the Alfa Romeo symbol. Really nice, bro.
Wow.
Really nice. Carbon fiber everywhere. Look at that rear diffuser. Woo. That is nice. I'm sorry I missed it, but we got the third F12 over here in white. So we got three F12s. The white one, the black one, and the red one. These F12s are nasty. Got the Italian flag right on top going across the whole car. This thing is nice. Absolutely beautiful. Woo. Really nice. This is really nice. One F12. Two F12. And three. Whew. This is a dream car one day. Really nice. And I think we got cannolis in the back. Let's go check it out.
Tiny cars and cannolis.
Woo! Like, we legit have cannolis in the back of an F12.
I'm gonna give one to my girl.
Matteo, you're the man. Thank you, buddy. Don't mind if I take one cannoli. Thank you, Matteo. So good.
That might have been it. That might have been it.
It's not an Italian car meat
No, this one, it has
without a cannoli and a cup of coffee.